Okay. Marami-rami na. Last problem na siguro tayo. Anyway, tingnan ko lang yung bibigay ko ring problem. Tapos tingnan ko lang kung ano yung makakaya nyo. Medyo... To 7. A frictionless pulley has the shape of a uniform disc. So, disc tayo. Pupunta tayo sa disc ganyan yan. Ito siya. Disc. Solid cylinder. Tapos, 2.50 reduce 20, and then a 1.50 kilogram is attached to a very lightweight wire. So, assuming na yung wire walang bigat, that is wrapped around the rim of the pulley, and the system is released from rest. How far must the stone fall? So, yung takbo dito ng stone. So, gaano daw kalayo? So, I think una nating makukuha dito is dito muna tayo sa disk. Kasi binigay niya naman yung tingnan mo natin yung mga formula natin. I think kailangan natin i-plug ito. I is 1/2 mr squared. Maybe we'll have to do that. I is equal to 1/2 mr squared. Tapos, next is kailangan natin ng formula na ano ba kailangan natin? Nagbigay siya ng kinetic. I do believe sa kinetic is, yun na yung magbibigay ng answer sa kinetic na side. Dito muna tayo sa nagbigay siya ng frictionless pulley shaped from this to 50, radius 20, 0.150 was wrapped around the rim of the pulley and the system is released from rest. Tapos meron yun yung next na formula natin dito. I is 1/2 mr squared. I is equals to 1/2 mr squared. Tapos, yung disk mo naman, 1/2 mr squared tapos yung I mo is ayun, formula ng I. Kinetic I omega squared. Do we need this one? Kailangan yata. Kinetic is 1/2 I double squared. Kinetic, which is given, is 1/2 I omega squared. So, we can compute omega kung i-plug in natin yung kinetic energy. 4.50 joules. So, dito yung 4.50 Newton meter joule. Tapos, yung I dito, i-plug natin yung 1/2 mr squared omega squared. So, ito yung I mo at ito yung formula mo. 4.50 Newton meter. So, we can calculate this W. Diba? W is magpo-4 siya times 4.50 Newton meter. Itong 2 times 2 may 4. Tapos dito sa baba is M at saka R squared. So substitute 4 times 4.50 kilogram meters per second squared meter all over yung mass ng disk mo 2.50 kilograms. So, meron akong 2.50 kilograms. Tapos, meron akong kwento. 20 centimeter na radius. So, 0.2 square meters square. So, magkakaroon ako dito, cancel, cancel, cancel. So, magkakaroon ako dito ng omega, cancel, per second squared. So, pag square root ko, square root, so yun, bibigay ako ng diba? 4 times 4.50 all over 2.50 times 0.2 squared. So, this is 180. 180 radian per second squared. Radian squared per second squared. Kasi kailangan ko ng dalawang dito. So, that would be square root answer. And that would be 13.42. So, 13.42 unit would be radian per second. Omega. So, may omega na ako. Pag may omega na ako, I can basically compute V, which is omega times R. Diba? So, magkakaroon ako ng 13.42 radians per second. Multiply ko ng 0.2 meters. So, 13.4 alpha A ako times 0.2. So, that would give me 2.68 meters per second. So, that is the radial velocity. Radial. Now, the tangential velocity or the linear velocity. 2.68. Did I solve it pa? How far? So, pag how far, pupunta ako dun sa balance. Kasi parang yung kinetic energy, balance sa yung mechanical energy, K1 U1 is equal to K2 plus U2. Kung nagsimula sa rest, basically ito siya is 0. So, 0 is equal to K2 at saka potential. Basically, dalawa yung mag-iikot dito. Bababa yung isa, potential yun. Tapos, mag-iikot yung may kinetic energy. Bali yung kinetic energy mo, kinetic energy ng bato at saka kinetic energy um, ng pulley mo. Pulley. Tapos, yung potential energy naman ng bato. Okay? So, 0 kinetic energy ng stone is, ito na yung velocity niya. So, that is 1/2 mass ng stone mo. That would be 1.50. 1.50 kilogram na stone mo, and then magkakaroon siya ng velocity na 2.68 squared meter squared per second squared. Tapos, and then bali yung kinetic energy binigay na kanina, di ba? Bali magkakaroon daw ng yung kinetic energy yung pulley ng 4.50. So, yun lang. 4.50 sa pulley. So, yung 4.50 joule sa pulley. So, kinetic energy ng stone plus kinetic energy ng yun yung mag-plus ng potential energy mo. Yung potential energy mo ng stone is mg at saka pababa na h. In which dito tayo kukuha. Meaning, negative tong h2 eh. O negative h. Pababa kasi yan. Pwede na nating i-negative yan. Negative h. Kasi pababa yan. Or x2 minus x2 which is negative. So, mg which is equal to, mag-equal dito sa dalawa. So, that would be 0.5 times 1.50 times 2.68 squared plus 4.50. So, Newton meter joule din yan yung isa, di ba? And that will give you 9.886, 9.89 joule. Tapos, ibig sabihin yung H natin na negative, 9.89 joule or Newton meter, 89, Newton, kilogram, Newton meter, kilograms, meters per second squared, Newton, meter, tapos yung mass naman ng stone, yung potential, yung sa stone, that is 1.50 kilogram. 1.50 kilogram and then yung 9.80665 meters per second squared. So, negative, magpa-positive yung height. Kasi ni-negative na natin na diretso, di ba? So, that would be back. So, divided by 1.50 times 9.80665. And that would give us 0.672 meters. Diba? Pababa. So, H is equal to negative 0.672 meters or 0.672 meters going down. Ganyan. Okay? So, yun yung height, balance, mechanical balance ng yung potential at saka yung kinetic ng stone at saka ng pulley. Medyo mahirap-hirap na to And then, what percentage of the total kinetic energy does the pulley have? So, kinetic energy ng pulley lang, kinetic energy ng pulley all over kinetic energy ng dalawa. So, basically, yun yung pulley lang, 4.50 divided by 4.50 plus ito. Magkano yung kanina? 9.89 na, diretso. 9.89. So, times 100%. So, 4.50 divided by 9.89. So, that would give me 45.5. 45.5% for letter B. So, 0.672 at saka 45.5. Medyo mahirap-hirap na to May I cut? Kasi, hindi na ako maghanap na lang ako ng medyo easy-easy Anyway, this is already the stretch of our topics. Next time na lang siguro. Okay? Titignan ko lang yung performance kung kaya pa talagang isagad para talagang masagad yung utak nyo. Sure na mag-engineer kayo siguro. Pag talagang batak, yun yung term nyo ay batak. Thank you guys for listening.